Let's be real, a weak vacuum cleaner is basically just pushing dirt around your house. You need power, you need smart features, and you need something that can handle the chaos of real life. Whether that's pet hair, kids' messes, or just daily grind. That's why we've tested and compiled this list of the top 5 best upright vacuums on the market right now. We've got options for every budget and need, from high-tech home defenders to incredible budget-friendly picks. Let's dive in. First up, the Shark Stratos with Duo Clean Power Fins. This thing is an absolute beast when it comes to suction. Its signature feature is the Duo Clean Power Fin system, 2 brush rolls that work together to dig deep into carpets and directly engage hard floors, grabbing everything in a single pass. But the real game changer for pet owners? The self-cleaning brush roll that actively fights hair wrap. Combine that with odor neutralizer technology to keep your vacuum from smelling funky, and a powered lift-away mode to get under furniture, and you have a powerhouse. It's a bit heavier and corded, but for homes with a mix of carpets and hard floors and a serious pet hair problem, this one shines. At number 2, the BISSELL CleanView Swivel Pet. If you're looking for incredible value that doesn't skimp on performance, this is your vacuum. BISSELL is a name you can trust for pet-focused cleaning, and the CleanView delivers. Its swivel steering is a dream, making it incredibly easy to maneuver around chair legs in tight spaces. The triple-action brush roll is designed specifically to lift and remove embedded pet hair and dirt. It also features scatter-free technology to prevent messes from blowing around on hard floors. The only downside is it's primarily geared towards carpet, but for its price point, the performance is staggering. It's perfect for the budget-conscious pet owner who needs reliable, no-fuss cleaning power. Coming in at number 3, the EUREKA PowerSpeed. This vacuum is all about lightweight power and simplicity. Weighing in at just 10 pounds, it's incredibly easy to carry up and downstairs. Don't let the lightweight fool you, though. It packs a punch with 5 height adjustments to tackle everything from plush carpets to bare floors. It boasts a massive, easy-to-empty 2.6-liter dust cup and includes a full set of tools, including a pet turbo tool that's stored right on board. The filters are washable, so there are no ongoing costs. It's not loaded with smart sensors, but for someone who wants a straightforward, powerful, and easy-to-use vacuum without a huge price tag, the EUREKA PowerSpeed is absolutely worth a look. Number 4 brings us into the future with the JELLYPIG X100 cordless stick vacuum. Let's cut the cord. This vacuum is all about convenience and modern tech. It features a powerful 50 kilopascal suction, a super handy self-standing design, and an impressive 70-minute runtime. The LED touchscreen gives you total control, and its V-shaped anti-tangle brush is a dream for pet hair. Being cordless means you can whip it out for a quick cleanup in seconds. The trade-off? It doesn't have the raw, sustained suction power of a heavy-duty corded upright for deep carpet cleaning. But for apartments, hard floors, and as a secondary vacuum for daily touch-ups, this wireless wonder is a game-changer. And finally, the high-tech champion, the Shark Detect Pro Liftaway. This is the Ferrari of home vacuums. It's loaded with sensor technology that automatically adapts to your home. The Duo Clean Detect system uses 4 sensors to find hidden dirt, and then boosts suction and brush roll speed to devour it. It cleans in both forward and reverse motions, and even increases power along edges and corners. It automatically detects your floor type and adjusts settings for optimal performance. With anti-allergen complete seal and HEPA filtration, it's fantastic for allergy sufferers. The only downside is the premium price, but if you want the most intelligent, thorough clean money can buy, this is the undisputed best. So which one is for you? If you want the ultimate smart clean, the Shark Detect Pro is the best overall. For raw power and anti-hair wrap tech, the Shark Stratos is phenomenal. For unbeatable value, grab the BISSELL CleanView. For lightweight simplicity, the EUREKA PowerSpeed can't be beat, and for cordless freedom, the JELLYPIG is your pick. No matter which you choose, a great vacuum changes everything. Once you try one, you won't go back.